making some spring rolls with the culinary class, and I'm in a medical assistant course. So it's been great coming in here and being able to interact with the student and learn so many different things.
We're making both dessert spring rolls and entree spring rolls by julienning multiple different types of fruits and vegetables.
I never really understood how to cut things in half, and today I learned that in order to get something to cut in half in like a perfect way, you have to press down on it and then use the knife and go through with it.
It's very different trying to teach someone what you know how to do, and you're also learning yourself how to do what you're teaching.
I feel like preparing a healthy meal is important because not only for myself, but also to be able to educate my patients in knowing how to prepare food that is not only good, but also that is healthy for them.
I think it's very important just to have a healthier lifestyle, because if you don't eat well, then you can die sooner, and there's a lot of diseases you can get from heart problems and so on.
I'm just really excited to be here and being able to interact with the student and learning how to cook meals that I have never learned how to cook.
It's very fun to share the experiences we do, making the spring rolls, prepping the ingredients, and learning about how they like their own program.
I feel like learning from another student in the JTED program is very important, and I feel like it's very cool being able to interact with them and see how their interest comes together and how we have so many different interests, but at the end of the day, we're all coming together so that we can help our community. I mean, I am in the medical assistant class, so I'll be in the healthcare field, and they're in the culinary class. We'll be providing food for the community and just exploring their passion.